channel. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and to press bell icon to get notified on each video we post. So it's almost 9:30 right now and we are moving towards Tirupati, which is 2 hours from Vellore, and it is 107 kilometers and it is in Andhra Pradesh. So this is going to be our fourth state
this road trip.
So here there is a check post. So now we have cleared the check post over here.
So today Janya got the chance to sit in front. Here is the Sleeping Beauty, and here we are passing through the rock mountains. Tirupati, National Highway 140.
Tirupati is 78 kilometers from here.
80 is the speed limit.
So after so many days, we finally found one MH car right now. So now we are entering Tirupati. Quite green right now. There are so many trees. So there is a security checkpoint ahead. This is our homestay. We booked our homestay over here. It is a part of True Life, so we booked it via booking.com. So this is 5th floor. We have a room on the 5th floor. So this is our house, kind of homestay. So 501. We booked it via booking.com. So here everybody is sitting right now after such a long drive. Everyone is tired. Daddy dadan kapde bhi badal liye. This aadmi he's watching cars na. So he's watching cars, and the hall somewhat looks like this. It even has internet and everything. Then this is the kitchen. It's functional, like it has induction, it has utensils and cups and whatever you need for a basic living. Then that's the dining table, fridge and a wash basin. Now that's the first room. So this room is taken by Sagar. This room's washroom is over here. And this is the second room. This room is taken by us, and uska washroom is here. So now this is quite steep. Plus we have stairs in the middle, so we're just trying to remove the car easily. So हाय क्या लग रही है. अरे
That's the ISKON Temple in Tirupati. Since we had time today before we go for the Tirupati darshan tomorrow, we thought of looking at what's nearby, and we found this beautiful, amazing temple.
So again we are having नारियल कोकोनट वाटर.
अभी हम आ गए हैं एंड पापा इज टेकिंग दी कार ऊपर ढलान में. 0.5 में करता हूँ किल. ऑलमोस्ट टच हो रहा है, ऑलमोस्ट. So what actually happened is we were trying to make coffee we added coffee into this bowl and stuff. Then we thought that the coffee is quite less, so we added one more packet without realizing it was tea. We put tea and mixed it with coffee. So now it's tea coffee.
How was this tea coffee cocktail?
It was like going to CCD and asking for tea flavored coffee.
Okay. What about you, my dear?
I can't stop laughing. It's like drinking नींबू पानी which has no नींबू at all. कैसा था ये टी कॉफी का मिक्सचर?
Sugar is less.
That was your work to put sugar in this.
टेस्ट मुझे अच्छा लगा, टी सोडा तो अच्छा लगता है, लेकिन थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा चाहिए।
This fellow, he did not have tea coffee. So this 13-year-old kids are making Maggi in induction. So Sharnam had decided to have Maggi today after having dal khichdi. Maggi is very good girl. So these two naughtakis gave their half work